Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this one's a whole thing we need to talk about. We have the potential for a tornado outbreak in the southeast Monday and Tuesday. Well, I'm going to inform you of that, actually, and we're going to be watching this very closely. This has that classic outbreak thing, and this could be a pretty good one we're watching. Classic supercells and squall top setup. If you don't know what that is, I'll tell you in just a moment. Moderate risk is possible. This is the day 3 outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, aka SPC. As you can tell, a moderate anywhere in that red area you're seeing is probably the chance of a moderate risk. And a moderate risk is the second highest risk you can get. And even though we're not really in that day 3 area, we're not really concerned about that. But the impacts, to go ahead and tell you, the likely impacts for day 3 Monday are damaging winds 60 to 70 miles per hour, specifically in the slot through enhanced zone, which is the enhanced is the orange zone and the slot is the yellow zone. Large hail, possibly destructive. Looking at the enhanced risk is where you would see that. Tornadoes, some can be strong, meaning that they are going to be higher than EF2. Some of those can be higher than that, and that's something we'll be watching. Nocturnal tornadoes is another thing I want to add. Nocturnal tornadoes mean tornadoes at night, and that is probably going to be, that's a likely chance. It's also in that significant area already, so that's probably going to be upgraded to moderate. I wouldn't be surprised. The day 4 outlook is on Tuesday, and that's election day, if for some of you that don't know. Will that affect polls, election day, voting? It could. Anywhere in that orange zone you're looking at is the potential for an enhanced risk. Yeah, an enhanced risk is possible. And usually in an enhanced risk, you'll see some storms can be intense, long-lived. What's the possible impacts? We gotta say possible because it ain't up to enhanced yet. When it does, if it does tomorrow, damaging winds 60 70 miles per hour, large hail. It's not gonna be possibly destructive. I think it will just be normal large hail if you see any. Isolated tornadoes. One may be strong, higher than EF2. We're going to be watching this system very closely, though. This is day 4 already, and it's looking like an enhanced risk or moderate risk. A moderate risk is possible in day 2, day 1 for the day 4. If we see a moderate risk, what would happen is PDS watches would start going up, and a public weather outlook will be released by the Storm Prediction Center. And that's something I'm not hoping. And a public weather outlook, PWO, is going to be released by the Storm Prediction Center, most likely on these days. And we're going to stay tuned to every update you can. This has the potential to be a tornado outbreak. We will update you as much as we can.